Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Aws from Black Book, full guide. Read each chapter and code every example in a real AWS account, focusing on core services. Take concise notes and build a single project that uses EC2, S3, EM, and Lambda. Practice with timed quizzes and revisit weak areas weekly. Join study groups to discuss architecture and troubleshooting. Set measurable goals and track progress with a calendar. Create a week-by-week plan that maps Black Book chapters to hands-on labs and review sessions. Start each session with a clear objective and end by summarizing what you built or learned. Reserve one day for review and mock exams to track retention. Log every lab and error to learn from mistakes. Adjust pacing if a topic like networking or security requires extra practice and repetition. Focus on small, repeatable labs that map to book chapters for real learning. Deploy a sample app using EC2, S3, and RDS, then automate it with CloudFormation or Terraform to understand infrastructure as code. Test IAM policies by assigning roles and verifying access patterns. Simulate failures and practice recovery steps to build confidence. Record common errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.